Hello there and welcome to another easy tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more. And if you need a tutorial on something, leave it in the comments. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to put a product from CjDropshipping onto your Shopify store. Start by logging into your Shopify account and choose Apps. Next, type in CjDropshipping and click on it. If you haven't connected CJ to your Shopify store yet, check my tutorial on how to do that. When CJ is opened up, search for any product you want to sell on your Shopify store. I will choose the portable projector for this tutorial as it is really popular now. Now compare the prices, quality, shipping times and options of all of the results you get for your product and choose one of them. This is a very important part if you want to make sales. When you've chosen one, click on it. How many variations your product has is also important, as you can import all or some onto your store. Here you can see the shipping and service fees. If you want to connect this product to your store, click on List. Your store should be at the top automatically. If not, you didn't connect CJ properly. Now, fill in a product, type and vendor. This is not that important as you can change it later on Shopify. Now, select which variants of the product you want to sell on your store and choose a price. The price can also be changed later on Shopify. You will also import all of the photos and videos of the product on CJ, as well as the description. When done, click on List It Now, and the product will be added onto your Shopify store. After loading for a while, click on View It in Store. Here you can tweak everything to just how you want it to look like on your store. As an example, I would delete the variants because there is only one of each of these options. How to make a professional looking product page is for another tutorial. Thanks for watching and let me know which easy tutorial you want next.